Hey everybody, thanks for joining me at the bench once again today. It's going to be another work in progress update today. I have made some good progress on the Wildcat today. Well, last night mostly, or I guess the last couple days. Mainly all weathering. I kind of wanted to go through my process here, see if that's kind of how you guys do it. Or, maybe if there's a better way, more efficient way I could do it. But I think the way I do it ends up looking pretty decent. So what I'm going for is more of a, it's a older version Wildcat that's been in service. And so you can kind of see some browning and stuff like that. Try to tie those decals in there. The top, I think I have looking pretty much where I want it, minus some, I'm not completely done yet, but the main portion of it. The bottom, I'm not sure. I think I probably will go a little lighter, remove more of this enamel, but at the same time, an older plane with a white bottom, I feel like would weather more. But let me know what you guys think. If is that too much, I might leave it there. We'll just bring it up a little closer here. Probably go in a little more detailed on these raised rivets. You can kind of see the same thing on the engine cowling here. What I used was this Streaking Grime by AK. I just coat the whole thing and I let it sit for 24 hours. And then I take a makeup sponge and I soak it in this white spirits. And I just pull off as much or little as I want. And that does two things. It panel lines the whole thing for me. And then you can kind of, you work your way down. I feel it's pretty easy not to go overboard in that aspect. And then I did get the prop painted up, and I've got the some weathering done on there. I tried to find some photos. I only chipped it on the one side the way that it would spin because I thought, but I tried not to go too heavy on that. I didn't want it to look like an old beat up prop. The engine I got painted up, and then I just kind of did a little bit of detailing, just kind of painted those copper lines to break it up. I don't know if those would have been that color, but I just thought it would kind of break up just that silver, iron look. And then I had the canopies all masked and painted those blue as well. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I feel like the top is pretty good. I'm just going to add a few things there. With something like this, probably this oil stain. And maybe a little bit of this rust color. Maybe some of this gunmetal color. One thing I'm not sure about that I've had not so much luck with is I've seen guys, they paint the the gun residue, I guess, going back on the wings. I really haven't found anything that makes that look good. Because if I use like an acrylic wash, something like this, I feel like it's too heavy. And then, I've got stuff like this. This is an enamel, and it has a pretty fine brush. But I feel like you put it on and it just runs. And then if you take it off, it just takes the whole thing off. So I haven't really figured out something. I think maybe doing something a little more subtle with like this, because it's kind of like a pastel, like makeup, where you can slowly apply it, would probably work decently. Or maybe I just need to go get like a regular, like dark gray or black enamel paint and just kind of weather that off. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I think it's looking pretty decent. I did have a good chunk of time this weekend and yesterday on Monday to make some decent progress. I'm actually really happy with how this turned out. I think it looks nice. I might dirty it up just a little in these kind of in between, where they would twist, and maybe you get some oil staining there or something. But yeah, that's pretty much what I've been working on. Let me know what you guys have been working on. I might do these videos like weekly. I like to watch, what other people are building. It kind of gives me ideas, gives me some motivation for what other people are doing. So yeah, let me know what you guys are working on. Hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your Tuesday, and we'll see you next time.